fact that we will die is a harsh reality, and it's one that we must all confront at some point in our lives. I apologize, you may have been expecting a more upbeat video. Sorry for the depressing start to this one. However, I couldn't come up with a better way of talking about estate planning without talking about our deaths. Estate planning is the process of determining how our assets will take care of us while we're alive, and then how it will be distributed to our loved ones on our untimely demise. My name is Megone Trewick, and I'm the lead estate planning attorney here at the law office of Bryan Fagan. The question we need to address today is how you get from point A, where you suspect that you may need assistance with end-of-life planning, and point B, where you actually get this done. A wish and a hope is not going to get you there. Don't get me wrong, information is good. However, if you understand what I'm getting at, we cannot get paralyzed in our own thinking. Inactivity is bad. Whether it's due to lack of information or too much information, we must overcome this. Before we get into today's topic of estate planning, I'd like to explain one thing. First, many people believe that estate planning is just for the wealthy. That's not true. We imagine estate planning for people with big houses, big bank accounts, and so forth. However, the reality is most of us are not wealthy. However, we all need an estate plan. Knowing what you own, or as we put it, the extent of your bounty, is the important first step. Your estate planning includes the property that you have and even the debt that you have at your demise. That is the property that you want to pass on to your spouse and pass on to your beneficiaries. While estate planning is not solely talking about property, it's the first step, and so we need to know what we own. You might be surprised to learn what aspects of your life must be planned for. Estate planning is the process of determining how your assets will care for you while you're still alive, and then distributing that property. Make no mistake, you need an estate plan regardless of your age, whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whatever. Your assets or your property are divided into really two bundles: personal property and real property. Real property is the land, the house, everything that's permanently affixed to that land. Personal property is everything else, anything that can be picked up and carried away. This includes furniture, your collectibles, heirlooms, dogs, cats, yes, everything. It is a good idea to do something as simply as walk through your house and just take an inventory of what you have. You may realize that estate planning for you is more difficult than what you originally thought. Following that, you may consider traditional investments like your stocks, your bonds, mutual funds. You can keep this investment with the investment broker that you have at the firm, but you can treat it just like how you treat your bank accounts. You want to put the beneficiaries on there, the pay on death beneficiaries. You should check with your investment advisors to see if they also have that, wherein you can leave your assets to your beneficiaries directly to avoid the estate planning process of probate. We hope that this clarifies enough for you why you need an estate plan, but you can always reach out to us at 281-810-9760 so that we can help. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, see us on Facebook. Again, my name is Megone Trewick, and one of the most loving and lasting things you can do for your loved ones is to write an estate plan. Thank you.